Hey everyone! Today we're going to have a look at my buddy's tanks out in rural Manitoba. His name's Corey and he's got a YouTube channel called Everything Fishy. I'll let him tell you what's going on in the tanks, so come on in and have a look.
Hey, how's it going? Just figured I'd do a little, show you guys my fish for less here, my aquariums, and what kind of setups I have, and what kind of fish I own. So in here, this is a 40-gallon bull front aquarium, and in here I have my approximately 11-inch F1 Red Devil, Aphelophis labiatus, that I recently purchased from one of my favorite fish stores, aficionados here locally in Canada, Manitoba, in the city of Winnipeg. I'm not sure on the age of this fish, but by the size I would say he's probably around 2 years old, roughly, give or take. And he is alone in this aquarium because he is a very aggressive fish and is a very personable and solitary fish. Now I'll go show you guys my wolf fish downstairs.
He like pulled me in really tight and he's like, stop it, like, you know you're so beautiful and blah blah blah, and I'm like, shut up.
Make a video. Hey guys, so in here I've got my Hopleus malabaricus, aka wolffish. He is approximately 7 to 8 inches long. He is alone in a 55-gallon aquarium, and he is a wild caught, as most wolffish are, because there's very few documentations of wolffish being bred in captivity. Age-wise, I'm not 100% sure. And again, he's alone in this aquarium because he's a very aggressive predatory fish that doesn't really generally do well with tank mates. He will probably get around the 16 to 18 inch size when he's fully grown, and he's doing very well. He's a pretty active wolffish, especially when he thinks it's feeding time. Yeah, other than that, there's not much else to say about him. Now we'll go check out my last aquarium. We won't show my 10-gallon in my daughter's room with my F2 Umbi because she's having a nap at the moment. So we'll go show you guys my 180-gallon aquarium in my living room.
And I was like, okay, well, have a good night. I'm at my mom's and whatever. And still let me know what you do. That's also weird.
Hey guys, so in here I've got my 180-gallon aquarium, and in here I've got my F2 Umbi pair. There's the male in that flower pot, and this is the female. He's a very aggressive male, very personable, and usually has very good coloring, but due to this tank and the tannins in the water and the lighting and the rocks, he doesn't show quite as good colors all the time in this aquarium, but he has very good coloration. And he's approximately around 8 inches long, maybe 9, give or take, and the female is probably about 5 to 6. They're doing very well in this aquarium. Other than that, there's not much else to show in this tank.
But it's like knocking you over.
And yeah, that's all.
Okay, go.
Well, thanks for watching, guys.
Okay, have fun. All right,
Bye.
good luck.